Did you know that if two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond? This extraordinary occurrence is referred to as cold welding. It is a phenomenon that can only happen in the unique conditions found in space, particularly the lack of oxygen and water in its vacuum. This absence of air and moisture means that when these metals come into contact, they don't just stick together, they fuse. This isn't something we see on Earth, because our atmosphere provides a protective layer that prevents such bonding. Now, let's journey together as we uncover more astonishing facts about the vast and infinite cosmos. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. That's right, there's no air in space, hence no medium for sound to travel. This profound silence of the cosmos is a stark contrast to the noisy environments we are accustomed to on Earth. Imagine witnessing the spectacular explosion of a star, a supernova, bursting with intense brightness. Yet despite this visual fury, the event unfolds in utter silence. The vacuum of space prevents any sound waves from traveling, reinforcing the eerie quietness that defines the universe beyond our atmosphere. So if a star explodes nearby, you won't hear a thing. Fact 2. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts on the moon will stay there for at least 100 million years because there's no wind or water to wash them away. This creates a lasting legacy of human achievement in space. The moon's barren landscape, devoid of atmosphere, means that these impressions from the past will remain untouched. Each footprint, a quiet testament to the incredible journey undertaken by these astronauts, not just across space but through the annals of history. The moon serves not only as a satellite to our planet, but as a silent witness to humanity's urge to explore beyond the familiar confines of Earth. These footprints symbolize the enduring human spirit, etched into the very dust of the moon. Fact 3. There's a planet made entirely of diamond. 50 light-years away from Earth, a planet named 55 Cancri A orbits a star in the constellation of Cancer. Scientists estimate that a significant portion of this exotic planet could be pure diamond based on its mass and radius, and the likely composition of its host star. This remarkable assumption arises from the high carbon-to-oxygen ratio of the planet, suggesting that under extreme pressure the carbon has transformed into a diamond rather than graphite. 50 light-years from us, this glittering celestial body offers a glimpse into the incredible complexity of the universe. A planet named 55 Cancri E is believed to be composed largely of diamond. Fact 4. The biggest volcano in our solar system is on Mars. Known as Olympos Mons, this colossal geographical feature overshadows any mountain or volcano we have on Earth. It reaches an astounding height of 13 miles into the Martian sky. To put this in perspective, that's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth. This makes Olympos Mons not only the largest volcano in our solar system, but also one of the most fascinating subjects for planetary scientists and astronomers alike. Olympos Mons stands a staggering 13 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Fact 5. The Milky Way galaxy we live in is spinning at a speed of 600 kilometers per second. This immense galaxy, which is home to our solar system and billions of stars, measures about 100,000 light-years across. As we orbit the galaxy's center, we're not just moving in a simple circle, but also bobbing up and down through the galactic plane in a cosmic dance that spans millions of years. Each point of light we see in the night sky, each star, planet, and nebula, is part of this grand tapestry, moving in synchronized harmony. Amidst this vastness, our tiny blue planet seems almost insignificant. Yet it is here where we have the privilege to look out into the cosmos and understand our place in it. The Milky Way galaxy we live in is spinning at a speed of 600 kilometers per second. Fact 6. The universe has a color. In a fascinating study, astronomers took it upon themselves to decipher this cosmic hue by integrating the light emitted from over 200,000 galaxies. This monumental task involved measuring the spectrum of light from each galaxy and combining these colors in proportion to their brightness. After exhaustive calculations and adjustments for factors like redshift, which occurs due to the expanding universe, the scientists arrived at an unexpected result. The average color of the universe wasn't dark and mysterious. Instead, it mirrored a creamy shade of off-white. This color has been aptly named Cosmic.Latte. Fact 7. There's a floating water reservoir in space. It holds 140 trillion times the amount of water in all the Earth's oceans. Imagine a vast cosmic ocean suspended in the void, dwarfing the water supplies of our home planet. This reservoir isn't just a small pond or a lake, but an immense collection of water vapor, located in a cloud around a quasar, one of the most powerful and energetic objects in the universe. Discovered by astronomers using advanced space observatories, this discovery challenges our understanding of water's distribution in cosmos. Such massive amounts of water have been crucial in forming theories about how water is distributed across the universe and the potential for life in distant galaxies. Fact 8. The universe was once a singularity. Before the Big Bang, the entire universe was compacted into a single point of infinite density and heat. This point, commonly known as the singularity, held all the mass and energy that would spread out to create galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually life itself. Imagine this incomprehensible pinprick of space, teetering on the edge of becoming everything we know. The concept challenges our understanding of space and time, as these dimensions did not exist until the singularity expanded. This expansion, known as the Big Bang, marked the beginning of the universe as we know it, setting the stage for everything that would follow. At this moment, the laws of physics as we understand them today were formed, and the fabric of the universe began to unfold. The universe was once a singularity. Before the Big Bang, the entire universe was compacted into a single point of infinite density and heat. Fact 9. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, making its day extraordinarily long compared to Earth's. Interestingly, this slow rotation contrasts sharply with its quicker orbit around the Sun, which it completes in just 225 Earth days. This unique aspect of Venusian time means that technically, Venus experiences fewer than 1 day per year, if we measure time as we do on Earth. This phenomenon makes Venus a study in celestial oddities and extremes. Venus orbits the Sun in 225 Earth days. Fact 10. The largest asteroid is a mammoth rock named Ceres. Orbiting within the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, Ceres holds a very unique position. With a diameter of about 940 kilometers, it's not just any ordinary space rock. Its substantial size qualifies it to be also classified as a dwarf planet, a title shared only by a handful of celestial bodies in our solar system. Ceres was discovered on January 1st, 1801, by Giuseppe Piazzi, and since then it has fascinated astronomers and scientists alike. Explorations by spacecraft, such as NASA's Dawn, have revealed its surface to be a mixture of water ice and various minerals. It's so big that it's also classified as a dwarf planet. Fact 11. The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are on a collision course. Situated millions of light years apart, these two colossal galaxies are gradually drawing closer due to gravitational forces. As time progresses, they will begin to interact, pulling at each other's stars and gas clouds. This cosmic dance is a slow but inevitable process. Scientists predict that when they finally collide, it will be a spectacular event, creating a new galaxy from the fusion of Andromeda and the Milky Way. Despite the dramatic description, this event is far from our lifetimes. But don't worry, this won't happen for another 4 billion years. Fact 12. The Sun's light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So if the Sun suddenly disappeared, we wouldn't know for over 8 minutes. Fact 13. Jupiter's strong magnetic field helps protect Earth from space radiation. Fact 14. The center of a comet is called a nucleus, and it's typically only a few miles wide. Fact 15. The most common type of star found in the Milky Way is a red dwarf star. Fact 16. The highest mountain known in our solar system is on an asteroid called Vesta. Fact 17. The space station orbits the Earth 16 times a day. Fact 18. The temperature inside the Sun can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Fact 19. The Moon is moving away from the Earth at a rate of 4 centimeters per year. Finally, Fact 20. The total number of stars in the universe is greater than all the grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. In summary, the cosmos is a place of silent explosions, diamond planets, and water reservoirs. A place where footprints can last 100 million years, and where the universe once fit into a single point. It's a place where the Sun's light takes over 8 minutes to reach us, and where the Moon is slowly drifting away. Truly, the mysteries of the universe are as boundless as the universe